Old singer.
Yeah, I'd say advise you guys to get up there right away because between this point and this one,
you want that.
Down here and you see it.
Put that out there.
There has to be.
Measure. Dang.
As you see, my face don't have no boots.
Yeah, get pictures of everybody.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get a picture of you guys' faces and shit.
Last one.
Alright.
It's kind of heavy here. Yeah. What are you facing?
Get pictures of everybody.
Face you?
Check it out. Look at it.
Everybody put his name on it. So when they come back all black and blue, we know what happened. Oh! Don't go in. Get in there, sir. Try not to go sideways.
Grab your paddles.
Man, push, help him push. That's what I'm saying, help him push. Here.
Oh!
Down.
Alright, guys, start paddling. Oh!
Nigga, what are you guys doing?
Grab the paddling.
You gotta start paddling.
Gary, you have to whip your side over.
Go back. Watch out. Ben. Gary, you need a paddle.
There you go.
Alright.
There you go.
Gary,
Go back to the shore.
you gotta go right at him.
Gary, start paddling.
You gotta go that way. Gary, you gotta go that way. Oh, fuck it. Oh, shit. Hey, you guys got it. Have they canoed before?
They're gonna, yeah, but they're gonna tip over, right?
Hey! Isn't that choppy? It died down a little bit.
They need like a bucket or something so they can get that water out there.
Maybe a big ass stick where they could push themselves out like the bison and get the fuck out there and everything.
Yeah, they just they can't go sideways for that them
And waves will start capsizing. Stay up there, Benjamin.